Put them back in there.
Done.
Oh, done? No.
Mama, Papa.
Papa, but it's empty. Put the bows in there. That's it. Uh-oh, they fell on the floor. They're all on the floor. Uh-oh.
Papa.
What, honey? Can you open that?
Papa.
You open it. This is your table. You play at your table.
Papa.
Appa, see. Appa put it. Here.
Hi, Dad.
Here.